How to change Instagram language from Arabic to English. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to change Instagram language from Arabic to English. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram application on your phone. Now tap your profile icon at bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on the three-bar menu icon at top left corner of your screen. On the setting page, you simply need to scroll down and now look for the language option. Here you can easily see under this accessibility icon. Simply you need to select that and now you need to choose the first option, and at the top you can see English option. Select English, and as you can see that you have successfully changed your Instagram language from Arabic to English. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and comment.